everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to do a deep clean of an area rug today. And this is something I do about every couple months because our rug is white, so it gets really dirty, and not sure why I got myself into that. But this is something you could do every few months, quarterly, just depending on how much traffic that you have in your home and if you're keeping up on spot cleaning. But I'm going to show you how to do a full deep clean of a rug with natural products. So here we go. So the first thing I do is take a mixture of baking soda and about 20 drops of essential oils, whatever oil you would like, scent-wise, and I just mix it up in a full mason jar of baking soda and then sprinkle this over the entire rug. And I let this mixture sit on here for a few hours. It's going to soak up smells of the rug and just kind of give it a refresh. And you are going to want to set aside a day that you're home all day and can do other things while you're cleaning the rug, because that's going to sit on there for a few hours, and then later once you wash it you're going to need to let it dry for a few hours as well. So after that's sat for a while, I start to vacuum the rug, and I do a really deep vacuum of the entire rug, kind of going over it in multiple directions, getting every area, because after this you're going to wash it and you don't want to rub in any of the dirt or, well, the baking soda doesn't matter as much, but mainly you don't want to rub in the dirt. So just do a quick, deep vacuum of the entire rug. And I also take this opportunity to roll it up and vacuum underneath, because even with thick rugs, some dust and dirt falls through and gets underneath the rug. Our rug is 100% wool, which I highly recommend always because wool rugs are so easy to clean. But I think this method that I'm going to show you today works for most rug materials. You'll just want to look yours up specifically if you have kind of a really expensive rug, or I don't know, something crazy. But this works for wool and a lot of like cheaper fabric rugs. After we're done vacuuming, then you're going to wash your rug, and the mixture I use for that is just warm water, Sal Suds, and essential oils. So I take a little bit of warm water in a bowl, put a few tablespoons of Sal Suds in there, and some drops of essential oils of your choice, and then fill the rest of the bowl with warm water as well. This will get it kind of mixed up and bubbled up, and then you're going to mix it up later more with your rag anyway. So take this mixture and then a few microfiber rags, just depending on how dirty your rug is, depends on how many rags you use. And then I just continually dip them in the Sal Suds mixture and scrub the rug. You aren't going to want to get this rug like dripping wet, but you can get it pretty wet because we're going to dry it after this. And as you'll see, I just work my way back and forth in strips that I can reach while scrubbing. That way I know I get every inch of the rug. And really I just scrub with the rags, keep dipping them in the mixture. And then if there are any spots that I need to spot clean, I take my little wooden brush and dip it in the mixture and then just really scrub deep with the bristles on the spot, and then kind of wipe it with the rag afterwards. And this takes some elbow grease, but it gets the rug really clean using a natural product. some areas of your rug will probably be higher traffic areas than others, and in those areas I just use more of the mixture and scrub a little harder. Simple as that. And I also recommend rotating your rug maybe twice a year, just so that you rotate the spots that are getting the higher traffic, and that helps with the longevity of your rug. Then after you're done washing the entire rug and scrubbing it, I take a couple dry microfiber rags and go back and just kind of dry the rug and fluff it up a little bit. This is not going to dry the entire thing, but you can just go over it and see if there's anything that needs to be re-scrubbed a little bit, and it makes it so that the drying process goes a little bit faster because you're drying it somewhat. So I do this over the entire area rug, and then you're just going to leave the rug to dry for a few hours. Okay, after your rug is 100% dry, it's time to vacuum again, and this vacuum is to get up all of the excess dirt that you've loosened up while scrubbing. And I like to do this vacuum in multiple directions, just so I know I'm getting in every crevice and crack and really fluffing up the rug as I vacuum. And this is even more pertinent if you have a shaggier rug where dirt can hide in those crevices. But it's really important for any rug. Just vacuum every direction. And then after I'm done vacuuming, I will give it one last spray with our room spray that's made with essential oils, just for one more freshening aspect, I guess. And I have a video that I will link in the description of this video that shows how to make that room freshening spray. And then after that, you're completely done. Fresh, brand new rug. And would you look at that? So fresh and clean. And it's even more beautiful because it's a white rug. So, just feels nice.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments in the comments section. And as always, please hit that red subscribe button to support my channel. Thanks again for watching, and happy cleaning!